It's the most famous dessert shop. Wow, I love it. The narrow roads in downtown. Welcome in downtown from Egypt. Hello guys, this day is Thursday and tomorrow is weekend because we start our week from Sunday. So I went to the downtown for a walk in it. I used the subway or metro. Inside it you will find place for men and for only women. Egypt loves this place in winter with cloudy sky and very light sun. And this place is special because it has many stories in the history, so I'll tell you some stories about it. The first statue in this place is Omar Makram statue, and you'll see Egyptian museum and the most famous pharaonic obelisk in this middle of the street. The most famous love story that happened between Ismail Pasha and Egypt. So he decided to build a special place in Egypt. So he made downtown place to remember Ismail Pasha's loves, and it built by Europe decorations with Egyptian soul. In downtown, you'll see a lot of old restaurants and cafes. Those places you'll watch it in the white and black Egyptian movies. These streets is very ancient and historical. They say there are wonderful stories about them. Inside them, you'll see the oldest movies and theaters in Egypt. This and all movies you'll see in this video is very ancient. I love downtown because it has a lot of special memories for childhood and with my friends and my family. The first job was in it. The first course was in it. The first hobby was in it. And the first pictures I took for it. So it was the first love for me. And I always love it in the past, now, and in the future. Do you see this place? It's called El Abd or El Abd. This is the most famous dessert shop in Egypt. Is make many different desserts like ice cream, cakes, Egyptian dessert, and so on. And I love it so much. I have many childhood memories with it and with this place. This place called El Alfi Bake. It has a lot of wonderful restaurants in the past, but now it has simple restaurants and a few restaurants still here from the past. If you like this video and this place and love it, don't forget subscribe and like to know a lot of Egyptian stories and watch Egyptian places in my tour and my channel, and see you.